You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say the word sex. In German, how do you pronounce this word? In Germany, well, that one is very easy. It is simply said, same word, barely, really same pronunciation. Sex is how to say sex in German. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.